pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Girls, we gotta talk. Ooh, my accent just came out. I thought I had lost it forever. Okay, we do need to talk though. It's about this palette. This is my second time using this palette, and I wanted to make sure I give you all the details using different primers, brushes, all that good stuff. So this way, when your palette comes, you know exactly what you want to do with it and what you want to use to achieve the best look you can with that palette. Hi guys, if you're new, I'm Karen. It is nice to meet you. I am so glad that you are here. Would you please say hello to me in the comments? Unless you're just one of those that just likes to watch and doesn't comment, that's totally okay. I'm saying hello to all of you. And my gems, mwah! I love you guys so very much. And again, yes, we are doing, I need help. You need to give me your advice. We need to talk about this. So we're just going to do it. We're going to get right into this video. We're going to talk about this palette, and then we're going to talk about this highlight. Okay, guys, give me a second. I'll see you in a minute. Are you guys ready? We're going to do our second look with Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. Since I know y'all are still waiting for it, I figured, why not do more looks with it, right? Okay, I'm going to put, I have a little bit of concealer on my eyes, but I'm going to use MAC Paint Pot today, because I figured, why not try a different primer and see how the colors blend? By the time you guys get this palette, you'll have you'll know what works with it, what doesn't work with it. The colors blended beautifully with concealer. And now we're going to do MAC Paint Pot, so I'll be able to tell you everything, all the deets. All right, let me put this back. What color am I going to go into first? I think we'll go into Forehead Kisses. I want kind of like a dark eye though. Surprise, right? I did do bright for you guys though. Did you see Blue Monday, that video? Okay. I got blue contacts in today, and I've got to show you guys that video too. Holy crap. I'm going to make Messy Hair my transition shade. So I'm going to put it right here in the middle. Remember, what you blend extends. So wherever you want the pigment, put it there and then start to blend, because that's where the most pigment's going to come off the very first time you touch the brush to the eye. Kayla is eating her lunch, by the way, so kudos to me if I'm able to get through all this without my camera saying hot. Oof. Okay, so yeah, I want it just right there because I've got plans for the rest of the eye. Okay. Ooh-wee. We used setting spray, I think, on the shimmers the last time I did this. I used the Benefit brow pencil today. Do you guys like that better than the pomade on me? The Anastasia pomade. I think that the pencils, I guess either way really doesn't matter too much. Okay, so now that we've got that in our crease, we need to pick another color. Okay, added me some tape because if you remember, the last time we went into Boo and A View, it was overpowering. Beautiful color, but it was like, whew, and we had to fix it. So here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna take a brush that's like this. This is the Sigma E25. We want one that's like this. It's not an actual, I mean, this is a blending brush, but it's going to place the color differently, and we're going to follow up with, if I put it on with this, it's going to get everywhere. Let's just put it that way. So, Boo in A View. Look at that. And we want to put it right here. Oh my. Pretty color. I wonder what my rug looks like. I know I vacuum and everything, but with all the tapping, it's a dark color. Okay. Ooh, let me build this up and I'll be right back. Guys, this color seems to fade a little bit. Like, I kind of want to use setting spray to see if I can bring it out a little bit more. Maybe that's why it was so easy to cover up in my last video. Because I really wanted the outer corner like that, like this color. It's a nice smoky gray. All right, so I put some setting spray on it. And it looks like I'm going to have to do some more building. I'm not really happy about that, but, or maybe I can add a color to it. I don't know. I really wasn't planning on that. I really wanted that there, you know? Okay, so let's move on for now. What we're going to do is a nice clean cut crease. And give me my brushes. Angled stiffy. And we're going to go in with the dose of colors. I am liking this, by the way. This is a good concealer. So if you guys picked it for your choice in Boxy, atta girl. All right. So here we go. Just right here in the beginning is what I want. Moving on over. Here we are. Guys, the weather's going from cold to hot. Where is it? What is it like where you're at? I'm curious. You're driving me insane. See, and I wanted to see the blue context to stand out with the gray. Yeah, I was like, oh, yeah, I could do this. Kinda. It doesn't really want to work. Where's my cigarette? Let's take Fresh Face and we're going to put that in the inner corner. But I need a nice little brush. Getting to the point we're going to have to wash these damn brushes again. Just keep buying more. I wonder why I keep having more to wash. This is a Morphe M421. And we're going right into Fresh Face. And we're going to put that right where I put that concealer. Whew. Let's see. Can she do her job? Come on, Fresh Face. Let's see. Okay. It's a darker kind of shimmer. Maybe we need to build her. What do you think, guys? Build her? I think we need to build her and make sure she's perfect. I'll be back. Okay. This looks alright, but we're getting darker over here, so I want to go in with Lazy Baby. I was going to do Cuddle Cakes, but... You hear Kayla? I did Cuddle Cakes last time, and I'm trying to do like different looks with this palette, but with some setting spray, I'm putting Lazy Baby. It's that purple color right here. I'm just really not happy with that matte. It's like, I'm going to leave it for the corner or whatever, but it's just not as vibrant as what it is in the palette. It's not as dark, I should say, not vibrant, but dark. And I was really looking forward to it being dark. So I'm like, hi, what's this about? Damn it. I wanted the smoky eye. Now it's like disappearing completely. Oh my gosh, that makes me so sad. All right, let's try it with more setting spray right at the end here. Come on, don't disappoint. Did such a great first look. And then, of course, I covered you up, this color. And now I know why it was so easily done. All right. Let me see the look, the unhappy look right now. Yeah. Hi, how are ya? What's going on? Really? Okay. We're gonna put some more color. Pajamas over here. We're probably gonna have to do a wing because if not, it's gonna look funky. I'm a little sad. I mean, I could use another shadow palette, but I want you guys to get the experience of this while you're waiting forever for Boxy to come, you know? Yeah. Okay. This is what we're going to do. We're definitely going to have to use that for underneath the eye. There was definitely some fallout. So I'm trying to blow it away. All right. Grr. My brush. We're gonna just leave this alone for a minute and get some eyeliner going. Yeah, eyeliner. Hank and Henry. That's Blickety Blue. That would totally not work with this look. Or maybe it would. Nah, it wouldn't. All right. Okay, so I went with the wing, and we're gonna start with the under eye right now. I put on like almost like a charcoal dark gray liner, and it wasn't the one I wanted, but I couldn't find the one I wanted, so you know, gotta improvise. Okay, I need me some crease brushes here, and I'm running out of those. So I'm like, wait a minute now. Got me. Oh, this one will work. Yes. Oh, what can we do? Okay, I got this. This is the Jaclyn Hill JH38, in case you were wondering. And I want to do... No. I thought I knew what I wanted to do. Damn it. Let's take that boo in a view. And put it here. I haven't done my under eye concealer yet, just so you know. And I did not put any of the gel liner or the pencil liner underneath because underneath my upper waterline because I have contacts in. And that would not be good. Smoke it. Smoky. You want to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm so annoyed with that color up there. You have no idea. Okay. I will be back in just a second. Okay, so I made a thicker wing because I really wanted that area to be like super dark, but I'm liking how it came out. It's fine. I cleaned it up with some concealer, and now I want to go in with, I like the Fenty highlight, but it's like so thin, you have to like dig in there to get any of it, but it's really pretty. Use this Morphe brush here, and we're gonna go in with Sarcophagus from the 24 karat palette because it's just gonna see, like, bam, it's like right there. Barely have to do anything. Let's see if we can use this for the inner corner. I think we can do it. What do you guys think? Yeah, why not? There we go. I am going to swoop this up a little bit. It just makes the eye look so much bigger and brighter. Okay, so we have to do mascara, lashes, highlight here. All right, with my highlight brush. For me washing it so stiff. All right, now, here we go. Ready? Ready, Freddy? I think my mom used to say that to me. I'm in a funky mood today. Do you see that? Like, shut up. Ah! Okay. I just put a little bit here. We're not gonna go crazy with the highlight today. Whoa, baby! Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy? It is. It's just blowing me away right now. All right, before I do the mascara, which I'm using that Kevin, whatever his name is, Kevin Icon or Oicon or whatever, using that. I just got setting spray in my mouth. Good job, Karen. Great job. The wand is really funky on this one. Did you see that wand? It's funky. All right. So we're going to do mascara before I put on my false lashes. And you guys are going to get to see what my real lashes look like. I don't really have any. And they go funky directions because I wear fake ones all the time. Okay. I'm loving how the bottom smoked out though of this look. And what did you guys think? Like, were you expecting that one color view in a boo or boo view or whatever to be like that, as light as what it is? Because I wasn't, and it did not really build well, as you can see. That's why I put my liner so thick. There we go. Okay, so we're going to let this dry, and we are going to put on falsies, and then we're going to kind of come back and choose a lippy. Whew. I am loving this highlight. Holy jeez. All right, so I used a lip liner as lipstick because I didn't have like this color. And now I'm going to go in with, what is this? This is the Madison Beer lip gloss in Mercury. They all kind of look similar, but in the packaging, but they're really not. Yay! We are done. Guys, okay, what did you think? I need to know. I need to know. I mean, look at this palette. It's just this color. Just, I don't know. And I used MAC Paint Pot today, remember? I was saying, okay, I used concealer last time. I'm going to use MAC Paint Pot today. I'm going to be able to try and give you all the deets before this palette gets to your house. So, it was easy to cover up, though, last time, too, if you watched that video. If you didn't, I'll link it. But I want to hear your thoughts. Overall, I'm happy with this look. I just had to do a thicker wing and all that good stuff. But, again, I did this for you guys. So you tell me your comments in the comments below. You tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And I will see you guys real soon. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I definitely want your opinions. I do appreciate the feedback. And I will see you real soon in another video. Bye.